Whenever a customer searches for custom shirts, they are going to be using a search engine like Google. And the results that are going to be displayed are first going to be the meta page title and description. And this is very important that your business take it seriously because it's one of the first things that search engines crawl to learn from your website. So how do we configure the meta page title and description for a page? Simply go into the advanced settings of the page you want to edit, go into meta tags, and for example, this hats page, maybe we want to make it custom embroidered hats. Custom embroidered hats and patches. And then maybe for the description, we want to have it be, high quality, no minimum, custom embroidered hats and beanies. And then maybe I'll say, Nike, Adidas, Carhartt, and other name brand hats with your logo. I highly suggest using ChatGPT or AI to help you with writing these meta page titles and descriptions. But know that it is very important. And the more time you take configuring these, the better you're going to educate the search engines about what it is your business or specifically this website revolves around. Now, to control the default title of the keywords and description, you can come back into the settings, store configuration, and then, SEO tools, keywords and metadata, and this is where I can configure the default meta page description and keyword. If you have any questions on how to configure the meta page description and keywords and meta page titles, simply visit DecoNetwork's help resources and/or our YouTube channel. Thank you.